guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Tasha and I am going to show you how to do my Dyson Airwrap today. But I'm not gonna say that I'm professional. Well, I'm gonna try my best to show you how I do my hairstyle, and I really hope you guys like it. This is my hair. This is my real hair. First of all, I will apply just a little bit of the hair oil. And for today, I am using the Moroccan oil. So yeah, I am using Moroccan oil because my hair has been dry and pretty damaged recently because last year I think I dyed my hair for like 4 times. So my hair pretty much dry and frizzy hair after. I am going to use just a little bit of leave-on to protect my hair. Just a little bit of this. As you can see right now, my hair is still kind of wet because we're supposed to use Dyson to set our hair when the hair is still wet. So that's the point. So first of all, I am going to use this to just blow my scalp and the roots around this area to make sure it dry first. We're just gonna leave this part wet. Well, you might be confused what I'm talking about, but see the video and you understand what I'm talking about. So I am going to use it just to make my hair straight. And also for those people who already have the straight hair, very fine hair, you can skip this. There is no right or wrong, just find the perfect way, or like just keep trying to find what suits you the best. I usually use this to blow in like towards like this. So when everything is done, the hair at the back doesn't go too flat. That's what I like. What I am going to do is, first of all, I am going to separate my hair into 2 sides because left and right they use a different applicator. So well, I would do 1 side at a time so I don't have to keep changing. Yeah, at this point you can see my hair is right now wet. That's only because I sprayed my hair, okay? Because by the time that I dry this part also dry. So it's okay to spray or add on water on your hair because we want it to be wet while we're doing the curly or the beach waves. I separate it into 2 sides. I am going to go with the left one first. Okay, I'm just going to do it like this. Don't mind me, guys. Alright, and this one I am going to separate it into like half. It's not completely half, but like, okay, I'm just gonna do it like this so you can see. They come with both sizes. From the inner one, I like to use the big one. I don't want too much curl, and I think the big one just gives me the perfect result that I want. So I'm just going to start from this. Just grab a little bit of your hair like this. And then I normally go with like the hottest temperature first. Then after that, for like 5 seconds, I would turn to the coolest one to cool the hair down. And that is the trick that make your hair stay curly very long. And then now I'm going to turn it down. See? Super cute. See, this is what I am talking about. I want to blow dry around my scalp and the roots area because this curly thing doesn't go up all the way into the hair root, and it doesn't make that area dry, so we want to make it dry first. Always put it like this. I always make it upwards, so it's easier for the hair to like goes into the way. I mean, it's physics. If you hold it upwards like this, the hair always drop down. The Dyson Airwrap just, you know, it's just gonna take and suck all the hair in. Don't be overstressed. It's gonna get in anyway. Just do it a little bit at a time. Some people ask me like, how did I do it? Why the hair always like goes into the dryer? The answer for me is like I don't take too much hair. Even though if we don't use Dyson, we just use like typical, you know, hair curler. We also don't want to like put a lot of hair in it, right? Okay, for the inner hair, I like it like this. I don't want it to be too much curl because we are going to use the smaller size at the outside layer. Just now I have done this part already. I only have like this small part left on this side. See, it doesn't take that much time. I mean, I have a very thick hair, and if I can do it in a short time, of course you guys can do it, trust me. So just for the front part like this, I am going to change this to the smaller applicator. I don't know if I used the correct term of it, but don't mind me. I'm trying to speak English. Well, I do my best so you guys can understand it, because English is not my first language, but I am trying, and still don't get offended if I use the different or the wrong terms of like using the stuff. I am trying, so you will see the improvement next time, okay? Alright, so as I tell you this part, I am going to use the smaller one because not much hair left, and also I want this part to be like have a very strong wave. I couldn't see well through the camera. For this part, the fringe part or the front part of the hair, I would go at the back like this. Sometimes it has a slight part of this that doesn't get curly well. I am going to fix it just for a little bit only. Want it to be settled in this way, so just leave it like that. And still for the front part, we'll do the same thing. Some people, they like to grab the front part like this, two sides, and then they just curl it backwards at the same time. You can do that as well. And let me show you how it is. I haven't brushed it yet. I'm just going to use my hand to like do this. This is how it is, guys. I kind of like it though. Personally, myself, I don't like to use any spray, but please do so if you wanted to. What do you think? I mean, how can you not love it, right? I feel like it still looks natural. This is how I like it. Alright guys, I really hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel so I can create more video for you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!